Hi guys, dctmakes here, back on the Jeep. My carburetor colleague not coming over here at this point, but because of the COVID stuff, but I gave this a shot, and this is all thanks to Mr. Robert and a fair few years of going over carburetor stuff. I can build engines eyes closed, but carburetors seem to escape me. But okay, that is the new carburetor, and straight out of the box set on the idle jets at 1.5 out, electric fuel pump, low pressure 2.44, fuel pump on, no issues, float shut off, nothing dripping into the engine and through and into the oil obviously, but this thing started up, completely changed the whole thing. It's warm. I took it for a drive, so I'm going to start it up so you guys can hear it. And new world compared to the Rochester. 1 second. Now I've got the camera in the way. Hold on. Let's see. Oh my God, the Jeep's getting wet. That ain't good. Fantastic. I mean, this is basically straight out of the box. It's warmed up a little tiny bit, cooled down a little bit. It's just jumped up onto the choke. There's it. That's it at idle. On the Rochester, anything past first gear, popping, blowing. Robert thought not enough gas, and that's probably what it was. But this runs like a baby. Some of you guys were asking about the little tiny vent on top of the bowl. That vent on top of the bowl is currently open. Apparently, if you know, it's there for if your Jeep turns over. On the later style Jeeps, obviously this is a 66 Kaiser, so this would not normally be the carburetor that was on it. But you would have a pipe that was going to location away from heat and everything, and also I'm going to guess to bleed off fumes to a canister on the later models. But that is astonishing. Listen to that. 1966 Dauntless Odd Fire 225 3.7 litre, firing order 165432. Marvelous. Here we go. We'll pull it in. Magnificent. This thing's never got wet before. Really. All the years trying to get carburation right, believe it or not. Working off and on. That's a score. When Robert gets over here, we'll put the gauge on it and check everything. But we did the timing the last time. 5 degrees before top dead center. It's unleaded gas. It doesn't have a lead additive in it. It has a non-coag additive in it. But I think I tried to put the gauge on it yesterday, do the vacuum like the guys on Thunderhead 289 and all them, but it decided to crap out on me. So this gauge, I think I got it squared away now, but that's what it looks like. Not 100% about the next thing. I think put the vacuum on, turn the screws out till you get the best vacuum. Other than that, absolutely magnificent compared to what it was. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Click thumbs up, subscribe. We'll bring the real true carburetor guy back the next time. He doesn't want to be on film, but we'll run it after he's had a tinker with it and see what it sounds like then. But I don't think it gets much better than what you just heard. Take care, guys. Wash your hands. See ya. Bye.